Birding in the Galapagos is not only an intense experience, one which you don't always need binoculars for, but it's pretty exciting to be able to come down and see the same things that as far back as Darwin saw. A field guide is a must for any bird watcher. You gotta have your binoculars, you gotta have a field guide, and you gotta have your 2 eyes and patience to watch. Birding in the Galapagos is kind of nice because right now you have even a specific guide created just for the birds of Galapagos, the 150 some odd species that are here, like this one, that you have the ability to just focus on the birds of Galapagos, and it makes misidentification a lot less common, and it really enhances the ability to focus on those birds that you're seeing on those specific islands. It's very helpful.